breaking the wall of medical electronic waste. Mani Teja Vijjapu, Falling Walls Lab, Austria.
Did you know that the fastest growing type of waste is electronic waste? Yes, it amounts to 1,000 Titanics each year. And 10% of it comes from the health sector. How? Let me take an example of diabetic care. Because almost 500 million people are living with diabetes worldwide. And every year, almost 1.5 million people are dying because of poor diabetic management. Yes, it is essential to have a disciplined diabetic management to lead healthy life. For this, patients often rely on conventional glucose sensors to monitor their activities to take the precautionary measures. But these sensors are for single use and non-biodegradable and adding to the overgrowing problem, electronic waste, because the waste generated is non-recyclable. With millions of diabetics worldwide, the amount of environmental impact is staggering. Clearly, there is an urgent need to develop eco-conscious point-of-care solutions. And our solution is printing technologies enabled eco-conscious POC patch. Driven by 3R concept, reduce, reuse, and rethink, we are developing two-component sensing system that consists of biodegradable sensor patch and reusable electronic patch. We are developing these using sustainable materials and biopolymers. And our biodegradable sensor patch detects biomarkers of diabetes from interstitial fluid. And our electronic patch performs the measurements and processes the data and communicates wirelessly with the smartphone. Our solution is battery-free because our electronic patch harvests energy from the smartphone, and which is also used as interface and thereby eliminating the need of additional electronic component. Our solution is inexpensive, less painful, and eco-friendly. We are tackling the challenge of electronic waste in diabetic care, but this can be expandable for other biomarker detection. We are creating the healthier future for the patients and the planet, sustaining the humanity while sustaining the environment. In summary, we are replacing this with this. Together, we can break the wall of electronic waste. Thank you.